Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, on my recent trip, my steering stabilizer got damaged pretty badly. I guess it sent it a little too much. My steering stabilizer is kaput. Got hammered pretty bad underneath. Yeah, it crumpled, man. Culprit right there. A bent steering stabilizer.
I think this one hit on like a big log.
Yeah. I think it was the log.
Yeah, it's the log.
Because it wasn't the rocks that was there. Got a new award, guys. Broke my steering stabilizer. Yeah. I was actually planning to get a new one anyways, but thanks, Jeff. I'll show you guys how it looks like one more time. As you can see right here, here's my trophy. Really got badly damaged. If you could look right there, pretty destroyed. So I'm gonna be replacing it today. Steve's gonna be helping me out. It's actually the same day that I finished off the fenders. So yeah, just gonna do double duty and get this all done today. All right guys, so I got the new steering stabilizer here. It's actually a Teraflex, thanks to Jackie. Thanks for hooking it up, brother. So I'm just gonna open it up right now. All right. And here is how it looks like. Ooh, it's beefy. Yo, Steve, come here for a second so you can see this. Look at the difference.
Look at stronger, I'd say.
Yeah.
Just a bit.
Yeah. So this one's basically gone. So this is the new one. You guys can see right here. Looks like so. Beefier, if you can see the difference right there. A lot different. This is like just the pipe itself. Thickness wise, like the difference here, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install this and figure it out.
Day 2.
Hey guys, it's actually been a few days since I've installed the steering stabilizer. I lost power on my light bar that I use for my camera, and yeah, and also my camera kind of died as well too, so didn't get to film the rest of the installation, but I'll explain to you how the installation went. All right, so what I had to do was actually I had to open this up a bit because I think it was bent pretty badly, so I had to open up the opening here, the opening part here, so I can put this side of the steering stabilizer through. I just reused the original bolts and nuts for the steering stabilizer. After I connected here, I just had to reconnect this one next, which was pretty easy. All it was already connected to this this part right here, and all I had to do was pull it there, pull it through there, and just connect the nut. I've actually taken a Jeep with the new steering stabilizer out on small kind of recon with Steve, and yeah, definitely the beefier steering stabilizer does the work. I feel a little bit more confident driving my rig around at those you know, spots that are tricky, and yeah, so far so good. I'll keep you guys posted on any updates on how the steering stabilizer does in the next few weeks or next few adventures. But yeah, the installation is pretty easy. I think it only took me about 30 minutes to an hour maybe between that, just because it was being finicky. It was pretty hard, like I said earlier. But yeah, that will do it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.
Hey everyone, if you want to watch more of my content, check out the 2 videos I have on the screen right now. It really helps the channel to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.